Join me as I dive into the wild world of cryptocurrency and try to predict if it's headed for a crash in 2025. Cryptocurrency has been a hot topic for years, with its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and create new opportunities for investors. Many people are wondering what the future holds for crypto, and 2025 is just around the corner. But so is the uncertainty. Will it soar to new heights, or are we standing on the edge of another dramatic collapse? The cryptocurrency market has evolved significantly since the early days of Bitcoin. What began as a niche experiment in digital money has grown into a multi-trillion-dollar industry that's capturing global attention. Yet despite its massive growth, crypto is still considered a highly volatile and speculative asset. Its future remains uncertain. Behind the innovation, headlines, and hype are serious questions about stability, security, and sustainability. These questions are becoming louder as we inch closer to 2025. Let's talk about some of the core challenges facing the crypto world. Regulation is perhaps the biggest. Around the world, governments are trying to figure out how to manage this new asset class. Some, like El Salvador, have embraced Bitcoin as legal tender. Others, like China, have cracked down completely. The United States, Canada, and the European Union have all taken steps to regulate the industry, but there's still no universal standard. This creates confusion, legal gray areas, and risks for investors and businesses alike. Market volatility is another major concern. Cryptocurrency prices are known for their wild swings. One day Bitcoin is up 10%, the next it's down 15%. These dramatic price shifts are not just driven by supply and demand. They're influenced by news headlines, tweets from influencers, rumors, fear, and even internet memes. This type of instability makes it incredibly difficult for investors, especially new ones, to make confident decisions. Technology is also a double-edged sword for crypto. On one hand, blockchain technology continues to improve, allowing for faster, more secure transactions and new features like smart contracts. On the other hand, that same technology is still young, and it's constantly being tested. Bugs, forks, and failed upgrades have led to millions in lost value and shaken trust. As we move toward 2025, the race to improve blockchain infrastructure could either strengthen the system or cause it to fracture under pressure. Security threats are an ever-present danger. We've seen billions of dollars lost to hacks, phishing schemes, and fraud. From exchange breaches to rug pulls, even the most careful investors have fallen victim. Security lapses can have ripple effects across the market. A major breach at the wrong time could erode investor confidence overnight. As hackers get smarter and more aggressive, the race between innovation and protection will only heat up. Economic conditions also play a huge role in shaping the future of cryptocurrency. In times of global uncertainty, like inflation spikes, rising interest rates, or economic slowdowns, people often turn to safe assets like gold or government bonds. Crypto, however, is still seen by many as high risk. If a major economic downturn occurs in 2025, investors may retreat from crypto to safer ground. That could trigger a major sell-off, driving prices down rapidly and potentially sparking a full-blown crash. At the same time, investor behavior is one of the most unpredictable elements in the crypto world. People are emotional. They react to fear, excitement, and social trends. The 2021 bull run was fueled not just by fundamentals, but by a flood of new investors inspired by YouTubers, Reddit forums, and viral tweets. That same behavior can work in reverse. When panic hits, people tend to sell fast, often too fast. In a space that lacks strong regulation and circuit breakers, that panic can spread like wildfire. One of the most exciting, and potentially disruptive forces in crypto is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms allow users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on their digital assets without relying on traditional banks. This is groundbreaking. It opens up new possibilities for financial inclusion and innovation. But it also introduces new risks. Many DeFi projects are launched without audits or strong governance. When these systems fail, investors can lose everything in an instant. The role of innovation cannot be overstated. Technological advancements like non-fungible tokens, layer 2 scaling solutions, and interoperability protocols are reshaping the crypto landscape. These innovations bring excitement and growth, but they also bring uncertainty. Every new feature or platform introduces a new set of vulnerabilities. If innovation outpaces security and user education, the system could become fragile and ripe for collapse. External factors like geopolitics and environmental concerns are also influencing the crypto market. The energy consumption of Bitcoin mining, for example, has come under fire from environmental groups and governments alike. Changes in energy policy, global regulations, or international conflicts could shift the way crypto is mined, traded, and taxed. As climate awareness grows and nations aim for net zero goals, energy-intensive cryptocurrencies may face stricter scrutiny or outright bans. Then, there's the question of adoption. Cryptocurrency has made progress, but it's still far from being widely used in everyday life. Most people still don't use Bitcoin to buy groceries or pay their bills. Until digital currencies are integrated into mainstream payment systems in a seamless and reliable way, mass adoption remains a dream. If that breakthrough doesn't happen soon, it could limit crypto's long-term potential and fuel doubts about its real-world utility. Let's not forget history. The crypto market has already experienced several major crashes. In 2013, Bitcoin lost over 80% of its value. In 2018, the entire crypto market lost hundreds of billions after a dramatic correction. In 2022, we saw another sharp decline, fueled by global economic tension and high-profile platform failures like FTX. Every time, the market bounced back, but each recovery took time, and not all investors made it through. So, could 2025 bring another crash? Absolutely. There are several possible triggers. A major recession could drain liquidity from all markets, especially speculative ones like crypto. A sweeping regulatory crackdown could shut down exchanges or ban specific tokens. A large-scale hack could shatter public confidence. Or it could be a combination of all these factors, forming the perfect storm that sends prices into free fall. Yet, it's also possible that 2025 could be a breakout year. Some analysts believe the groundwork is being laid for a more mature and robust crypto economy. Institutional investors are entering the market in greater numbers. New regulatory frameworks may provide clarity and stability. Advancements in scalability and cross-chain communication could make crypto easier and faster to use. If these pieces fall into place, the market could reach new highs. There are also encouraging signs of maturity. Crypto custodians are becoming more secure. Insurance products are emerging to protect digital assets. Educational content is improving, and blockchain analytics tools are making it easier to spot fraud and suspicious activity. These are the building blocks of a safer and more reliable ecosystem. Still, nothing is guaranteed. The truth is that no one, not even the top experts, can predict with certainty what will happen in 2025. That's the nature of a fast-moving, decentralized, and still developing market. What we do know is that crypto is no longer a fringe idea. It's now a permanent fixture in financial conversations, government agendas, and tech innovation. So where does that leave us? Should you invest? Should you pull out? Should you wait and see? The answer depends on your risk tolerance, your understanding of the market, and your long-term goals. Crypto is not for the faint of heart. But for those willing to learn, stay informed, and manage risk wisely, it can also be an opportunity. In conclusion, the future of cryptocurrency is filled with potential, but also full of pitfalls. As 2025 approaches, we must pay attention to the economic climate, investor sentiment, technological breakthroughs, and global regulations. Any one of these could tip the market toward massive growth or lead to a dramatic crash. It's a space where knowledge is power and caution is key. Join the conversation. Do you think crypto will crash in 2025, or will it break new ground? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to catch my next video, where I'll share strategies for navigating the unpredictable world of digital assets and staying ahead in this ever-evolving market. Share your thoughts in the comments below and tune in to my next video, where I'll be discussing investment strategies for navigating the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. The future of crypto is full of twists and turns. Will 2025 be a disaster or a breakthrough? Leave a comment so we can keep the conversation going.